In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Wise virtual card in store. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to properly set up your Wise virtual card to be used in store contactlessly by having the latest version of the Wise mobile app. So before you start, open the Play Store or the App Store and update the app as necessary. By having the latest version of the app, you will ensure that this process works without any errors. Inside of the app, sign into your account where you have the virtual card that you are going to be using for in-store payments. Switch over to the Card tab and in there browse through all of your cards until you highlight the specific digital card that you are going to be using. Of course, if you don't already have a virtual card, you will see the option to acquire one instead. So in this video, I'm just going to assume that you already have one all set up, ready to go. But if you don't, it is super simple to get it all done. So just pause the video, get it done, and come back to this step later. Now, as you might be aware, you can see the details about this virtual card at any time to make online purchases. The difference is if you want to make purchases in store using your phone by holding it near the card reader, what you have to do is assign the card to a digital wallet. So if you are on an iOS device, you will see the option to add the card to your Apple Wallet at the bottom, or if you are on an Android device, you are going to be defaulted to the Google Wallet. So like I said, this is what you have to do if you wish to use your Wise virtual card in store. Link it to a digital wallet, and immediately upon tapping this option, you will be redirected to the specified digital wallet with all the credentials about the card properly filled out. If for whatever reason you cannot be redirected to the app, or the details don't seem to be automatically filled out, you can just copy the card details and manually type them out inside of the digital wallet of your choice. Authenticate it, and as long as it is linked to a digital wallet, you can now use it as a payment method contactlessly. Like I said, simply highlight the card inside of Apple Pay or Google Pay or any other digital wallet payment service and hold your phone near the card reader. Keep in mind that your phone needs to have NFC enabled, and as long as you have the card attached to the digital wallet with NFC capabilities properly enabled, you are going to be able to make any transaction with the virtual card in store. Any transactions made will use the card as long as you select it either as the default payment method or you manually choose it from the list of cards attached to your digital wallet. So for example, in the Apple Wallet, you can browse through all of the cards until you select the specific Wise card that you would like to use. You can have multiple virtual cards attached to a wallet as long as you have them all assigned to your Wise account. And if you cannot see them for whatever reason, just repeat the process, remove them from your wallet, and by redoing this process, you are going to validate them again. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Wise virtual card in store. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.